literal na may nakita kayong susi ba? Susi ng ibang bahay, susi ng kwarto, no? Kung ano man. Or key, kasi pwedeng may na-discover kayo sa person ninyo, kaya na heartbroken kayo. 'Di ba? Ayun yung nakikita ko dyan. And then, so, ano to? Not enough, no? So, lacking confidence, sabotage, ego and fear, frustration. So, ang nakikita ko rito, na for some of you, may physical abuse ba dito? Sagittarius, literally, parang mas nakikita ko yun. That's why parang, 'di ba, merong nasaktan dito. That's why sabi ko nga, baka kaya may healing, baka healing, 'di ba, physically rin, 'di ba? So, yun nga nakikita ko rito. That's why, no? So, maybe, mas nakikita ko rito, no? Kung kayo to, Sagittarius, no? May mga anak na kayo, no? At may na-discover ka sa person mo, no? Itong person mong immature, no? Meron kang nakita sa kanya, no? Kung baka may third party involved, no? Kasi may one night stand dito. So, may third party for some of you. And then, for some of you, you are being physically abused, no? Ng iyong person dito, no? Or nasaktan ka ng person mo physically, no? And from that, no, feeling mo, you're not enough dahil naghahanap pa siya ng iba for some of you, no? Yun, no? So, yun, meron talaga rito nasaktan, no? Mga Sagittarius natin, no? So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng additional cards for you, Sagittarius, no? Bonus card for you. 2 cards for Sagittarius. Let's see. Tingnan natin. For Sagittarius. 2 cards for Sagittarius. So, you have this, no? 4 of Wands in reverse. 4 of Wands in reverse. And then, the Sun. So, nakikita ko rito talaga, no? Yan, no? For some of you, committed kayo ng tao na to. No? With the 4 of Wands in reverse, gumuho no? Yung akala mong masayang pamilya for some of you, or masayang companionship, masayang relationship, no? For some of you, no? Gumuho, no? So, ayun nakikita ko rito, may separation, or patungo na sa separation, no? Yung